Hey there, I am Aditya. In this session, we are going to learn all about motion in one dimension. Well, what do you mean by that? Motion, you have experienced this since your childhood. When a body moves, it is said to be in motion, and when it doesn't, it is said to be in rest. A moving body in one dimension. What is one dimension here? I think you have heard about one-dimensional shapes, which is a straight line. Hence, a moving body in a straight line. The meaning here is a body which is moving is going in a straight line. It is not changing its direction. The basics are distance, displacement, speed, velocity and acceleration. What do you mean by all this? Distance traveled by a body is the path taken by the body. Like in your car, if you go from city A to city B, you will take many directions, like you will go left, you will go right, because of some obstacles. Distance is the path taken by the body. If it goes straight, it is the distance. If it goes in a curved path, that also is the distance. We are talking about rectilinear motion or motion in one dimension. Hence, we also have another term which is displacement. What do you mean by displacement? Displacement is similar to distance, but it is the shortest path. Like if you have city A and city B, the distance will be more than the displacement because you will take that long path. You may take short path, but it is not the case every time. There may be some obstacles. That's why you may take a long path. Displacement does not care about obstacles. It is the straight line in a certain direction. City A to city B, a straight line it is. It connects straight. It doesn't have any left, right or something. Only a straight path. Hence, motion in one dimension is the displacement. Because displacement is the shortest path and is a straight line. Now let's talk about speed and velocity. Both are the same. But in speed, it is the rate of change of distance with time. The formula to calculate speed is distance by time. Velocity is a little bit different. Velocity is the rate of change of distance with time. Till here it is the same definition. In a certain direction. It will go only in a certain direction, like only straight line. Only straight line, that word. Only straight line this direction. Like that. Velocity's formula is velocity is equal to displacement by time. Now the next one is acceleration. Well, what do you mean by acceleration? Acceleration is the change of velocity with time. Change of velocity with time? Yeah. The formula is A is equal to V minus U by T. In a final velocity minus initial velocity by time. We also have some more topics to cover like Newton's laws and many more. That's why hit that subscribe button right now. Now there is a fun fact for you. Do you know that our object right there is in motion? How can that be possible? Like you are sitting right there without moving, but you are in motion. How is that possible? There are two theories for this. First is some motion is occurring in your body, within your body. Like your blood is moving very fast. It's also a motion in your body. Another motion is when a person goes out of Earth in space and sees the Earth. That time what he will see is you moving very fast in the speed of Earth, which is 1000 km/h. Although you are in rest, you are in motion. If one object is in motion, only one, then all objects are in motion. Like according to Earth, the sun is in motion, although it is right there in the center. So nothing is at rest, although they look like they are at rest. I hope you understood the topic. Now let's do a quick recap. Distance is the path traveled by the body. It can be straight line or left, right, like that, curved path. Displacement is the shortest path between 2 points, which is from a straight line drawn from both points. Do you know that displacement can be zero even if the distance is not zero? How? Let me explain. Let's take an example. There are 2 points A and B. A train goes to B and comes back to A. It is in the same position, but it covered a distance more than the displacement. Displacement is zero because it is in the same position. Velocity is the rate of change of displacement with time or rate of change of distance with time in a certain direction. That's it, guys. Leave a like if you enjoyed. Subscribe to my channel for more content like this and not to miss the numerical part and many more about motion in one dimension like Newton's laws. That's it, guys. Bye for now. See you later in my next video.